Understanding battery laws with business examples. Understanding the legal concept of battery is important as it relates to various aspects of commercial operations, including employee relations, customer interactions, and liability management. Battery involves the actual physical contact or intentional touching of another person without their consent. This concept carries significant implications in business settings, particularly in cases of workplace harassment, customer disputes, and liability claims. What is required for battery to be proven in law? Battery, in legal terms, differs from assault in that it involves the actual physical contact or intentional touching of another person without their consent. To establish battery in a legal context, certain elements must be proven. 1. Intent. Similar to assault, battery requires proof of intent on the part of the perpetrator to make physical contact with the victim unlawfully. The individual must have intended to touch or make contact with the victim. Example, if an employee throws a punch at a coworker during an altercation, intending to make physical contact and cause harm, it could constitute battery. 2. Contact. Battery necessitates actual physical contact or touching of the victim by the perpetrator. This contact can be direct or indirect, but must involve some form of bodily contact without the victim's consent. Example, if a supervisor forcefully pushes an employee during a disagreement, resulting in physical contact, it may constitute battery. 3. Lack of consent. Battery. For battery to be proven, the physical contact must occur without the victim's consent. If the victim consents to the contact, even if it results in harm, battery cannot be established. Example, if a customer agrees to participate in a physical activity offered by a business but gets injured in the process, their consent to the activity negates the possibility of battery. 4. Harm or offense. Battery can occur even if the physical contact does not result in significant harm. It is sufficient if the contact is offensive or unwanted by the victim. Example, if a manager slaps an employee on the back as a form of congratulations, but the employee finds it offensive and unwanted, it may still constitute battery. Questions next.